Hello everyone. Hello. This is Barrett from Barrett Wave. How's it going? Hope you can hear me. Please, as always, let me know if you can hear me. You should be able to hear me. All right. So let me just notify everyone on Discord that we're live. And hope everyone is having a great time. Hope everyone is ready for the holidays. This is gonna be our last session before the holidays. Yeah, exciting. It's incredible how we already are. It's Christmas and New Year's is right around the corner, and it just surprising how fast time goes. It really does fly, I guess. But yeah, it's Christmas right around the corner, but it looks like the stock market doesn't want to give it up for any of us, and just wants to continue lower, which is something that we were indeed anticipating a long time ago. So let me just have it join Discord. Just posted here for everyone to join the Discord. By the way, please let me know if you can hear me. There we go. Here's for the Discord, and ask me anything to analyze. And let's pin this as always, you guys. Hello, man. Hello, how you doing? Welcome. But yeah, guys, you guys start the request. Start asking for things to take a look at, and I'll be happy to help you guys out if I can, obviously. But yeah, let's just start opening some tabs here. Let's have our Forex tab ready. Okay, interesting moves. Okay, so it looks like we might have a top here in place for you. That's what I would assume that it's now. It could be now time to resume lower. Aussie dollar for sure. But yeah, Aussie dollar, that's a daily chart. And so Aussie dollar, 3 move, 3, most likely you may get something like this. That was the daily chart, obviously. So on 4 hour, if we start to zoom in closer, it looks like we did have a 5-wave move to the downside, obviously. And it looks like we could already be in some sort of wave C. The alternate would be that we have something like this and then resume lower. Otherwise, no matter what, I do expect this low to be broken, so we can look for shorts with a stop above this place. And what could happen is we could get support here. If not, then we're gonna move down here. So I guess we'll find out what's gonna happen, or we can just double correct and do something like this. That's possible. So that would be my take for Aussie dollar. Let me know if you have any questions or what you think about it. And if you just join us, welcome. Ask me anything to analyze, and I'll try to take a look at it. As always, using the Elliott Wave Theory. That's what I try to do. But yeah, let me know if you have a question. But yeah, and I mean, for our chart, we are. I mean, this is a strong close. Let's see how we're gonna close this candle. But either way, that's not really important. What is important is that we're breaking below the averages, and we do have the averages crossing here, as you can see. 200 EMA, which is a purple line, is crossing with the 20, which is a red line, and usually that's a sign of a reversal. You're very welcome, man. You're very welcome. So, what else? As I was saying, EU looks like we have something here. We're starting on some degree to move lower. Could be something new, I'm not sure, but some degree we are moving lower as expected. Oil, not much going on. Gold, moving as expected. I mean, I'm looking for this low to be broken, to be honest. And yeah, it's still valid. Didn't break this high, but yeah. So gold moving as expected. We'll see how it's gonna end up. What else do we have here? Aussie yen, by the way, has been moving as expected as well. They're all playing out nicely, which is always sorry, which is obviously always nice to see when something goes as planned. Look at that. All right. What else do we got here? All right. That was Forex. But yeah, guys, you guys keep a request coming. In the meantime, I'll just browse around. What else? But yeah, the Nasdaq been moving as expected. Let me just see here. Triple combo. Okay, so this zigzag is about to get invalidated, as we were looking for at this as the possibility. Potential wave one, I don't know. I mean, this is moving sharply. I guess we'll find out whether it's gonna hold or not. For I'd say, I mean, this scenario we would have 1, 2 of, yeah, maybe, let's see, maybe even this degree could do, or else that's not that important. But I think the problem with that was that wave 3 is longer than 1, if I'm not mistaken. I think that was the problem with this count. Obviously, in a contracting diagonal, each and every impulse wave must be shorter than one before. And I mean, if we place 3 here, then we're good. Otherwise, it would be wave count invalidation. So that's the only possibility. That's the only way I see that happening. So I guess we'll find out. Otherwise, I'll stick to this, which is my preferred count. And yeah, further downside for sure. I was actually looking at it, and this is a bit more bearish. What if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 as a leading diagonal up in B, and then down again in wave C? I think that's also possible. And I guess we'll find out. But yeah, that would be a possibility. S&P moving similarly as well. Turkish index has been just skyrocketed to the upside, which always nice to see. And the Nifty, I notified everyone on hello, man. We'll take a look at gold in just a second. The Nifty here entered the golden box. We are starting to look at some on the 3 hour. We did have RSI bullish divergence, which is always confluence, and we are near the 200 EMA purple line again. And yeah, and golden box has been entered. I guess we'll see what's gonna happen, but we could see some bullishness into this market soon. At least that's what I would be expecting. So gold is moving as expected, as I was saying. Potential wave 1 here, 1 2, again 1 2. So last time around, if you remember, we're looking at the possibility of a lean diagonal here completed, A, B, C. I think I even posted it on Discord. Let me see. So let me just do this so I can show you the Discord. Do we have gold? Oh, did I miss it? Oh, there we go. B, I was looking for weight down in C. That was 2 days ago. That would be Tuesday. And hello, Sam. Welcome. For sure. The central end. But yeah, gold, as you can see, moving as expected. Looking for this down here to be broken. So let's take a look at the central end. If USD from Kraken. There we go. So I was looking at this possibility, which I think is okay. So I wouldn't consider this possible anymore. I mean, technically, we still have room. I guess we're gonna find out. Anyways, I mean, it looks like it'll just be A, B, C. So let me just put everything into a folder there. So it looks like it will most likely be A, B, C of some degree. Not that much important what degree we're talking about. And then maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 or something like that. I wonder if we could have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, wave 4 would be considerably shorter. I mean, smaller than 2. That would be my only problem. But I mean, to be honest, for the time being, I would just stick. I mean, this would be my preferred count. Could it be a 1, 2, 1, 2? Possible. But then again, for the time being, I'll be as much bearish as possible. So try to be conservative. That's what I would personally do. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, but that's what I would personally do. And I just take it, as I always say, one wave of it at the time. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions on this. Happy to help. By the way, let's see how cryptos are doing. Bitcoin on the downhill. But yeah. Not sure whether to consider this some sort of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think the wave 3 may be the shortest. Let's check. Three shorter than 1. Yeah, it looks, as I was saying, I think last time around as well, it looks more like an ABC. to me. Yeah, I mean, I'm a bit confused by how this downside is unfolding, to be honest, to be completely honest. But yeah, I'm not sure what to expect. I guess we'll find out. But yeah, downside for sure. I can see further downside happening. Let me know obviously if you have any questions or there's anything you'd like me to take a look at. Let's see how this. Ooh. This has been just moving sideways. I'm anticipating a potential wave B in a triangle. So we'll see how it's going to play out. So maybe we get A, B, C. That would be nice. But I guess we're going to find out. Apple has unvalid discount, which means that most likely we've had A, B, and C, which makes sense based on this trend channel. So yeah, we could expect for the downside up to a year for sure, around the $100 mark. That's what I would be expecting from Apple. So obviously here we would have. Let me see if I don't have any folders. Do I? I don't. A, B. And perhaps something like this. Or even like this. I actually like it better. But yeah, triangle in B and then downside for wave C. That's possible. Let me know if you have any questions with this. Let me know if there's anything you want me to take a look at, guys. Anything I'll just take a look at and analyze it using the Elliott Wave Theory. Just that's what I'm here for. So just ask. Don't be shy. Let me know how I can help you guys out. Kent, like Clark Kent. That was a bad joke. Isn't this one the Turkish stock? Let me know if it's just this one. Do these guys do? Food. Candy. Okay. Good. Interesting. I mean, I would suppose. Okay. But yeah, I think it was you then that who actually brought that index to my attention. Because, like, I don't understand why people are not talking about the Turkish index. Like, it's crazy. I mean, the whole stock market, American, European, is crashing, and the Turkish index is just going to that's I would call it the new Bitcoin. Just going to the moon, isn't it? It's like crazy. But yeah, I mean, I would assume that's what you thought about. Let's see. Obviously, we have the 200 EMA acting as support. Could wave 4 be, I mean, could it be over? I don't know. It has been lasting for over 2 years now, so not sure. Potentially would be nice, but can we see the upside? Yes, I'd say. But I mean, with this market type of market, it's a bit hard. So, but yeah. Obviously, if we were to be bearish, we could say A, B, up in C and then down, but that would still be, we would still get 5 waves up into wave C. So that was the bearish count. Even more bearish, I mean, you really want to be pessimistic. W, X, Y, and now we're zooming lower. But the way I see it, I think it's either this one or the alternate ABC, which they both forecast upside. I mean, at least one last upswing. Yeah, let me know. Let me know if there's anything else I can help you with, or any other question, guys. You're very welcome. Oh, look at Apple, 3%. Tesla's also been crashing. I mean, look at it. I wonder. Yeah, I mean, 69%. Look at this. Nice. Could this be the largest crash in Tesla history? I think it might. Oh, I actually think it might. Yeah, I think it's, yeah. I think it is the largest crash in Tesla's history, which is interesting. Facebook's been Facebook. Nvidia's been moving higher as expected now. That was expected. 5 down, 3 up. But, I mean, it bounced off this channel. Very interesting. So it's, yeah. Google doing fine. Yeah, what's Google? 3 up, 3 ways to trend don't make, so we can expect this low to be broken for sure. Here on Google. Yeah, it's Intel moving expected for their downside. Yeah, overall, no surprises on what's happening. Cisco too. All right. All right. Let me know if there's anything else, guys, I can help you with. Always here to help you guys out. The Dow. Could this be wave 1? Should we investigate? I would, would be a bit of a struggle here. I mean, let me just, I'm thinking about, is 3 shorter than 1? Yes. Is 5 shorter than 3? Yes. So perhaps that's the only way I can see this working out, to be honest. Any diagonal in minute 5. A, B, C. And then up in 5. And here we don't have equality of 1 and 5. But we almost have 0.618. Okay, but we do have this. So this is a way to estimate the end of wave 5 using Elliott Wave Theory. You connect 2 and 4, project a parallel channel by touching wave 1, and you will get your estimate for wave 5, and boom. So it makes sense. It makes sense. It could be a wave 1. Obviously it would be 1, maybe ABC. Very shallow wave B though, but still possible. Or else wave B is not completed. We could be in wave B of B, do this and then do this. That's also possible. Guess we'll find out. But yeah, the Dow looks a bit more bullish, and it makes sense based on sectors it covers than technology and consumer discretionary. Therefore, the S&P and the Nasdaq. I mean, the Nasdaq and the S&P, I should say. All right. You guys, let me know if there's anything else I came up with. Anything you want me to take a look at. Anything you want me to analyze. Maybe let's just hide this on the daily chart. All right. Well, conch for sure. That's what I'm here for, Sam. Which I assume is this one. Oh, yeah. Looks like someone already asked for it. Nice. I mean, obviously, I haven't looked at it. Moving unexpected now, I would say. So yeah, we could get further downside. But what is important is this looks like a 3-wave move. So I mean, it could be that that was wave A. That's possible. It was A, B, and C. Or else that was A, B, C, 4, and that was 1, 2. So either one. But yeah, again, what matters is that it looks like a 3-wave move, initial 3-wave move to the downside, which makes it a bullish corrective. Therefore, I would expect for their upside. But I mean, we could easily bounce back down, perhaps touch the 200 EMA, and then resume higher. That's what I would say. yeah, let me know if you have any questions. But yeah, that'll be my take on it. Oh, Doge in the green. Look at this. Nice. Oh, Shiba. Oh yeah, that was. What else? All right, it looks like, guys. It looks like I might call it a day. I'll try to post a few videos over the holidays. Even though I don't know. I don't think the markets will move much. I feel like today and tomorrow. I mean, today obviously they are moving. Other than that, I don't think they'll move much. I mean, at least they usually don't. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for me. And as always, thanks for joining. Don't forget to leave a like to help tell the content spread out. And I wish you all, guys, a great holidays, happy holidays. And we'll see you soon. And again, thank you all for joining. Stay tuned.